Move the screws on the back of the machine, raise the machine, and install the screws in the corresponding holes. Plug the roller's USB port into the roller port on the back of the machine. Click the roller setting icon to set the parameters, cancel chuck type and open roller type, enable rotation. Set the Y-axis to 100 and the rotation axis to 50, then click confirm. Double-click the carving layer and set the carving parameters of the pattern based on the object to be carved. Rotate the pattern 90 degrees to align it with the top of the cup. Insert the carved object. If the object is too long and causes one side to sink, adjust the height of the roller to support the object for balance. Click Move in the sidebar, modify speed and distance, and click the moving direction. Move the laser directly above the object. Click Preview to observe the laser path and determine the best engraving position. Click Start and wait for the data to upload and start engraving.